Okay, welcome to another Sweet Valley ice cream unboxing video. Today we got our commercial work table, stainless steel top, 1,000-pound capacity. We got this from Sam's Club. Very easy to assemble, very easy to take out of the box. No tools required, so we'll get busy doing that. So we'll this is so simple. Find a corner. And the whole thing comes apart. Opens right up. You got your legs. You know, four legs, of course. More packing material. Gotta love the packing material. Your bottom shelf. Just laying that up in the middle of the ocean there. You have the option of having feet, or it does come with wheels. The directions, which we don't need directions. Okay, so go ahead and undo the legs. Again, carefully open the bag. Here are the feet. If you want to go with the feet option, just bolt on these little bolts, slide the rubber caps over the bolts, and you have adjustable feet. We won't be using those. So, okay. Just like any other wire shelf, you got the little plastic clips. Just follow the up arrows. Go ahead and make sure you got them going up. I'm going to put the bottom shelf as low as possible. We'll move the move your tabletop off to the side. Next, we want to go ahead and put the legs in. You can do this easier with two people, or you can do it yourself. Next up, you want to put your little top clips in the very top ring to hold the tabletop on. Again, just line up the little groove on the plastic clamps. Nice thing about these tables, we have 3 of them so far. This is our 3rd one. You get an extra set of plastic clamps. You always see shelves with clamps broken or missing, so at least you get an extra set. And just line up the holes in the bottom of the table with the plastic clamp system. Very quick, very easy. Again, you could add the feet if you want feet. You can leave it without feet, or you can add the wheels. We're going to add the wheels. Just be careful to grab the whole leg assembly. So let's go ahead and add the wheels. Again, carefully cut open the bag. And the wheels just screw into the bottom of the legs. Keeping a hold of the legs and not the top of the table. Screw that in. Be aware the top does come loose, so let's keep that in mind. Once you put some weight on it, they stay. The top shelf stays together. Make sure everything's held together. Okay, there you got a stainless steel table, 24 by 48 inches. Nice little table, quick and easy. So, all right, thanks for watching, and have a good day.